So welcome students. In this question you are given a rational quadratic x square minus 6x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1. You are asked to find the least value of this expression. Again a very standard question based on maximum and minimum values of rational quadratics. So let us use our standard algorithm to solve this question. So I hope you remember the process. The first step is we assume y is equal to the given rational expression. Next, we do the cross multiplication and convert this into a quadratic in x. So this implies the second step is yx square plus 2yx plus y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5. So this implies if you take all the terms onto one side, let us combine the x squared terms, x squared times y minus 1 plus x times 2y plus 6 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic in x. So this implies x is equal to minus b, that is minus of 2y plus 6 plus minus root of b square is 2y plus 6 whole square minus 4 times y minus 1 times y minus 5 by 2 times y minus 1. So this is the value of x. Now for x to be defined, the number inside the square root has to be greater than or equal to 0. For a real x to be defined, this value has to be greater than or equal to 0. So that will be the required condition, which gives you the maximum and minimum values of y. So if you take this expression, this is 4 times y plus 3 whole square, that is y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 4 times y square minus 6y plus 5 has to be greater than or equal to 0. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Y square minus y square gets cancelled. So 9 plus 6y minus 5. So 12y plus 9 minus 5, that is plus 4, is greater than or equal to 0. 12y is greater than or equal to minus 4. So y is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 3. Means the value of this always be greater than or equal to minus 1 by 3. So what is the conclusion? The least value of this expression is minus 1 by 3. And this occurs when x is equal to what? You just need to put y is equal to minus 1 by 3 in this expression. You get the value of x where this expression gets least value. Thank you.